Dear Tito Chit, happy birthday. Thank you for making us happy all the time. Sorry if we ask you too much about other things. You are the best and will always be. You are smart and hardworking. I wish you good luck, good health, and a successful job. Thank you for making our lives happy. Thank you for everything. You are awesome. Again, happy birthday. M is for loving. U is for understanding. I is for inspiring. S is for smart. Lots of love, Liam. You, Tito Shit, from Gap.
Tito shit. Tito shit.
Dear Tito Shit, thank you for buying us things that we want. Thank you for buying us things that we want. Thank you for bringing us to new places. And thank you for the inspiration that you gave to us. Thank you for being good and kind to us and patient. Thank you for letting us borrow your things and helping us.
Ay, gilakchit.
You did it. Happy birthday.
Next.
You did it. Thank you for
Louder.
making us happy and helping us buy our needs. Thank you for being good to us. And thank you for inspiring us so we can do this in here. Thank you for cheering us up when we're down and making us happy when we're frown. Thank you for the joy you give us and pray to God that you'll always be good and strong. Yours truly, from
Louder, louder, Yankee, louder. I can hardly hear.
Dear Tito Shit, thank you for making us laugh and happy. Thank you for the gifts that you give us. Thank you for teaching us new things. Thank you for being there when we need you. Thank you for taking care of us and loving us. As we celebrate your birthday, we wish you for more blessings and good health. Happy birthday, Tito Shit.